Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Google AI Studio Screen Share not working. If Google AI Studio Screen Share isn't working, here's how to fix it. First, always use Chrome or another Chromium-based browser like Brave or Edge, since sharing screen won't work properly on others. Next, update your browser and clear cache and cookies to ensure WebRTC and streaming components run smoothly. Then check permissions, click the lock icon in the URL bar, and confirm that your camera, microphone, and screen access are allowed. Also, review your network setup. Since WebRTC requires real time streaming, disable VPNs or corporate firewalls that might block it, or test on a different connection, such as your home Wi Fi. If it's still not working, restart your browser and try again. And finally, do a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus R on Windows or CMD, plus Shift plus R on Mac to fully reload the page. Following the steps will usually resolve any screen share issue in Google AI Studio. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.